Walking on air, understanding an English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, walk on air. This phrase is a vivid part of the English language, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you appreciate the colorful nature of English expressions. So, let's dive in. The phrase, walk on air, is an idiom used to describe a state of extreme happiness or elation. When someone says they feel like they are walking on air, they mean they are so happy that they feel almost weightless, as if they could float. This expression beautifully captures the lightness and joy one feels during moments of great happiness. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember and use them correctly. Walk on air likely comes from the literal feeling of being so light and carefree that one could float above the ground. It's a metaphorical way of saying that nothing is weighing you down, emotionally speaking. To get a better grasp of this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. After receiving her acceptance letter from her dream university, Maria felt like she was walking on air. 2. When I found out I got the job, I was walking on air for days. 3. He's been walking on air ever since he met his new girlfriend. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to express a high level of happiness or joy, often due to a specific event or circumstance. This idiom is perfect for informal conversations, especially when you want to express joy in a vivid and imaginative way. It's great in personal narratives, storytelling, or when sharing good news with friends and family. However, it's less appropriate in very formal or professional settings. I hope this video has made you feel a bit like you're walking on air with your new understanding of this delightful English idiom. Remember, idioms like this one add color and expressiveness to our language, making conversations more engaging and fun. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using them with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.